Hey everybody, I'm Dan. Welcome back. Today we're going to do laundry using our Jackery. We're going to do 3 loads of laundry today, and this video is a shout out to @Bright08. So Eric, this is for you. You had asked about what it would take to run a Jackery using a front load washer, and Mary and I talked about it. And today's laundry day, and we're going to wash this load of bed sheets. I got to get them prepped up, and I'm under orders to do it just right. This is the Jackery Explorer 2000 Pro in lithium ion. This washing machine is an LG washing machine. We've used them, geez, we probably had them 5 years now. These things are awesome. You know, when you're in a hurricane or a power outage, it could be a real pain, and we all crave that return to normalcy. So by using a Jackery and being able to wash laundry and have this test to see if you can actually run a washing machine when the power is out, that really brings you back to a comfort level. It's great to have hot water, it's great to have some way to cook, and it's certainly great to have a way to clean your laundry, especially if it's after a hurricane or a storm. You're all sweaty, you're doing all kinds of cleanup. So that's why we're doing this test. Here's a washer tip for you. We've got the door here that opens on the side. We don't ever put soap in there. We don't use any fabric conditioner. We just use laundry soap, and we put it in a small container. We buy it in big containers. We put it in this old container, and we just dump a little half a capful inside. We don't use high efficiency detergent. We don't use pods, but we never put anything in this thing, so we never have to clean it. It's never gunky. It's never crappy. That's just a cool trick. All right, we're going to turn it on. First, we have to turn the Jackery on. Now, so we're starting at 100%. It comes with a light. I don't know anybody who really watches their laundry tumble, but there you go. Wow, only 77 watts right now. So once it's into a heavy load of bedclothes like this, this would be the mattress pad, 2 sets of or a set of sheets, and then 4 pillowcases, a couple of towels in there. It runs about 220, 260 watts. Okay, 23 minutes left. It's just starting its first drain and spin, burning about 181 watts down to 70. Just jumped up into the threes there, 315 watts. There, she's finally starting to wind up, I think. There, she's going a little higher now. Changed over to 4 minutes. 3 minutes, it's starting to climb faster now in the spin. Now it's 402 watts. 452, that's the highest we've had so far. 458. So now we're in the final spin. So this is as high as this will spin on this setting. 433 watts. This thing is cranking right now. And it's only going up in the mid 400s, that's it. I even remembered to treat the sheets and stuff.
Good job.
All right, so the spinning is done. We just wait for this thing to sense a little bit. And there it is. So there we are. We're at the end. We're done. I've been recording for 48 minutes. This Jackery only used 4% of power to do this load. It's a regular load, all the sheets, bedspread, comforter, pillows, or pillowcases. Warm wash, high spin, extra rinse. Only 4% of power. Now I'm going to do the other 2 loads, and they're going to be nothing because they're only going to be 18-minute speed washes, and we probably will have 85% of the power left. So you could probably do this, I don't know, you could probably run 15 loads on this thing. This is amazing. Okay, here we go.
You could start a neighborhood laundromat.
That's funny. This is a load of clothes, just colors. Now it's starting to ramp up at 4 minutes. Well, it got as high as 470 watts with 2 minutes to go. I didn't expect it to go that high. I see what happened. It's in the high 400s. Then the drain pump kicked on and it brought it up into 510 watts. But the drain pump only runs for a short time. There, it's slowing down now. And that's it. Second load of laundry. We've got 93% left on the Jackery. 2 loads of laundry, only 7% used up. Now we're going to do the third load. Oh, she's spinning at her fastest now. I think we just had 480 watts. I couldn't get to the display fast enough. Oh wow, 507. I have to be careful. If I do too good a job on the laundry, Mary will have me doing it all the time. So there it is. 3 loads of laundry. The Jackery's down to 90%. So we use 10% of its power for 3 loads of laundry. So that's incredible. So maybe you might be able to do 30 loads of laundry. You can do a couple loads a day if you had to. If you have the capacity to recharge this Jackery, you're in great shape. Hey, please hit like and subscribe if you got any value out of this video. Check out our other Jackery videos, our other DIY and hurricane prep videos. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Wow, this is great.